Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Sukesh Education here. Today we are marking the end of our Elements, Compounds and Mixtures series. So it's the part 4 and then we're going to be looking at this last term, mixtures. So after this series is over and I will be taking other series such as energy and stuff guys. So let's finish this off really quickly. So mixtures. We use mixtures of elements and compounds in our everyday lives. So, air is a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen with compounds such as water vapor, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. So, you can see it here, guys. The composition of air nitrogen takes up 78%, oxygen takes up 21%. So, these are the main substances in our human life. But then carbon dioxide, water vapor, and carbon monoxide, they are the compounds in our air atmosphere. So a mixture, right guys, it does not have a chemical formula. So a mixture does not have a definite composition. So it doesn't have a definite composition. Therefore, it cannot have a formula. So because mixtures are made up of a variety of molecules. But unlike unlike elements and compounds, they're only made up of one type of molecule, guys. So that's the difference. Because elements and compounds are just made of one type of molecule, they have their molecular formula or they have a chemical formula. But mixtures are made up of many types of molecules. So therefore, it doesn't have one, guys. Then looking at the basics, you could have learned in year 7. It's about the mixtures. So a solution is formed when a solid dissolves in a liquid. So in a solid, right? Solid can be sugar, right? So when you put sugar in water, it becomes a solution, guys. So here it's saying a solute and a solvent is equal to a solution. So that's exactly right. So an aqueous solution is any solution that has water as its solute. Now it has water as a solvent, guys. Solute is something that you dissolve with. Then something that gets dissolved is called a solute. So now looking at suspensions, guys. Suspensions occur when sand and water is stirred together and the sediments, which is the sand, fall to the bottom. So you can see here, this is a muddy water, but the sediments are in the bottom, guys. So they're collected in the bottom safely. So that's the thing. Then looking at miscible. Miscible is when a liquid, dissolves in another liquid. For example, water detergent. So this detergent can dissolve in another detergent in water. So this makes the liquid solution, I guess. But then there are also immiscible stuff. So immiscible. So this is when a liquid does not dissolve in another liquid. And as many of you know, oil is one of this. So I've tried this experiment in my home. So I did this, guys. It actually works. This is my house. I took the photo. So all I did, I put honey in the bottom. Then I put corn syrup, dish soap, water with food coloring that I have in my home. And then also vegetable oil on the top that I bought from Woolworths, guys. And it makes up this cool, but yet interesting stuff, interesting view, guys. So this is called miscible. So how much ever you stir, it's not going to, mix all together and stuff. It's going to stay the same. I've tried it and that's why I'm telling you guys. Now let's look at metals, the alloy section. Alloys are a mixture of metal with other metals or non-metals. So, pure metal is good, but it doesn't last long. So, iron is cheap, but it rusts. So, you can see new iron here, right, guys? But after a while, it rusts into these iron, like these types of iron that looks very nasty to our eyes, guys. But it's yet cheap. So, many people use this type of, iron. Then looking at when you add small amounts of carbon to your iron, it turns into an alloy steel. So alloy steels are used to build skyscrapers, bridges, machinery, and cars. So even your homes are made with skyscrapers. So you see all these skyscrapers here, right, guys? They're made of alloy steel. They're all made of alloy steel. Looking at it, guys, all these houses look really cool, like skyscrapers. But when you add chromium and nickel, it produces stainless steel that doesn't rust. So this is stainless steel, guys. Normal steel, stainless steel. Stainless steel is a little bit more sparkly, shiny, and better. I personally prefer stainless steel, even though it's much costlier, but it doesn't rust. So that's one good thing that I like, guys. So guys, that marks the end of our video. So let me summarize this last thing. Different makers of metals make different alloys and different properties that are useful for a lot of things. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thanks for watching my series. Hope you like this series. I break it down a lot for you guys. So do make sure to subscribe and support my hard effort, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.